Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and let me know this is your first video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you. Today I'm going to be doing my first Debt-Free Friday. I'm doing this to hold myself accountable and so that you can see the progress that I'm making throughout the year. I am focusing on debt this year, so I'm planning on a low spend year. First, I'm going to start off with my Navy Federal loan. This is what one of my main focuses is paying off this loan. And so we are starting at $8,695.49. I made two payments. One payment is the $215. That's one of two payments for the 5K challenge that I'm doing this year. And then $30 for the 52-week penny challenge. So in total, I paid $245, $181.02 went to the principal, and then $63.98 went to interest, which leaves us at $8,514.43. So this is where we're at this week, and then next week I will show you where we are at. My regular payment that I pay monthly is due, and I'll be paying that this weekend, so that will drop some more. I'm also going to be doing my cash envelopes this week, and so first I'm going to start off with my leftover cash envelopes. I only had to fill up one, so we have $50 left over from gas. Food, I did stop and get a coffee, so I have $20 in food. Beauty always rolls over. And then in spending, I still have my 15. So in total, we have 50, 70, 85 that's left over, and this will go towards savings challenges. So I'm just going to leave that up there. Going back to gas, we'll be getting 100, so 50 and 1. So 100 in gas. Food will be getting its 25. So 25 in food. Beauty will get its 25. Beauty always rolls over. For my beauty envelope, anything as far as my hair, any bath products, things like that come out of beauty, so it continuously rolls over. I do get my hair done every 3 months, and so this will get depleted once my hair appointment comes up. But in beauty, we now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35. So $235 in beauty. Next is spending. I give myself $15 a week in spending. I'm trying not to use this and my food money, but just in case I do want to stop and get something, I have this money, so I'm not swiping my credit card, and I'm not, using or having to dip into any other envelopes. I do drive around, and so I try and take snacks and everything like that. So I try not to use this, but again, I want to have something just in case I want to stop. So that's my cash envelopes. Next, we're going to move into my dated funds, or ones that I save up throughout the year. First is my car registration. That is not getting anything. My nursing renewal is not getting anything. Moving's not getting anything. P.O. box, it is due. So I will be using this, but I will put in this week's $6. And so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50, 152, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So $160, 148 of this will go towards my payment. I do pay for 6 months, and then they give me the 7th month free. So that is actually due by February, so I'm going to take this money down and pay it. Next is my Amazon Prime. I just paid this, so it will be getting $6. So we will be saving this up throughout the whole year. My payment was actually January 1st. So I have the full year to save for this. Next is my revolving. These are envelopes that I go into more regularly. First, we have family fun, so that will be getting $10. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So $140 for family fun. Birthdays will be getting 10. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, and 20. So $120. It was my mom's birthday today, so I will be taking money out of here to pay back my credit card for what the flowers and things that I got her. Next is medical. Medical's not getting anything. It is fully funded at $500. Clothes will not be getting anything. Car maintenance will be getting 20. I am going to be due for something. So I want to get this bulked back up. So car maintenance now has 40 in there. I'm probably going to be due for an oil change or brakes or tires or something, especially with the driving that I'm doing now. I feel like I'm going to burn through those things a lot faster. So I definitely need to focus on this to get this bulked up. Support small will be getting 10. I still have not gotten my stickers that I want to get. I'm still looking. But for now we have 10, 25, and 30. So $30 into my support small. YouTube will not be getting anything. I'm still holding on and waiting for a shop to open back up so that I can do a giveaway for a binder. So this will stay there for now. That is the last of my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry it's a little rushed and a little fast, but it is late and I want to be able to get it up for you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I will be back on Sunday for my savings challenges, and I will see you then. Bye.